fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your...
Hello. Let me check I don't have any sleep, because hay fever's been a bitch to me recently. So hello guys, welcome to my channel today. Yes, I look crusty, I know. So I'm just gonna do a quick little video because I need to get going within like an hour, 45 minutes ish. So yeah, so I'm just gonna do a quick empty makeup. I don't know why my voice is so high, like stop it, somebody. I'm just gonna do a quick empty like summery makeup look for y'all. And yeah, so I'm watching Grey's Anatomy as well, so you can watch my I'm not starting from season 15, is that what they're on? I'm starting from season 2. Well, I've watched all of it, I'm just rewatching it basically. So yeah, let's begin. And I think I'm gonna go with my eyes first. Actually, I'm gonna do my eyebrows first, which they need to be plucked, so just ignore what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do some magic, hopefully. Using the L'Oreal shaper as always.
We have to know we have what it takes.
It looked like me. All the same eyes.
We have to know how to take care of our patients.
Tom is doing it just fine.
It's been you found him with another side.
We even have to figure out.
Then I'm gonna use this new Oh, funny, I'm going to a Maybelline event today. This Maybelline satin liquid foundation, which I got new, and it's quite good actually. Good for the price as well. I actually don't put a lot of foundation on because my skin doesn't really need that. I just like it to look smooth, really, smoother. So yeah. And then going back in with the concealer for the rest of my face.
I hesitated briefly.
Why didn't you kiss Izzy? It's my first day back.
I'm not waiting forever.
Love me. Derek, have you ever thought that even if I am Satan and an adulterous bitch, that I still might be the love of your life? You're staying with her.
She's my love.
I said I was going to do my eyes first and completely forgot. I did my whole routine like I always do, lol.
Everyone knows.
Funny thing is,
So I'll go back to my eyes now and go with the DLS eyeshadow pencil.
how to ask for what we really need.
What do you need to
give up your girlfriend. I did give up my girlfriend, okay? You wanted me to take you back? I took you back here in Seattle.
See, once again, it's all about what he wants.
And then I'm gonna go in with like my blusher from Sleek because I don't know, I just didn't feel like putting on eyeshadow, like actual eyeshadow, use my palette, so I'm just gonna go with the blusher. And then I think I'm gonna go in with this colour for like, no, I'm gonna go in with this colour for the outer bits, like the top of the lid, and then this colour for the crease, I think, so far. Or if not, I might use my bronzer for the crease. Not the crease, like the filler part.
Mrs. Kimberly Griswold, History of Heart Disease.
portion you're working on?
Man, do I like that? I have no clue. Yeah, I'm gonna put a bit of the bronzer colour in. Okay, I can't wait to work on that anymore. What's done is done. I am gonna just put some eyeliner on now. I'm gonna use my fave, the Skinny Eco London eyeliner. I can't open it.
Now, you can either walk away.
Oh god, I hate it when that happens. Oh my god! I'm watching the next episode and it's oh, what's that power guy's name? Oh, I forgot his name. There's Ghost and Tommy. Tommy's in this, a guest star. He's playing a pregnant guy. Well, it wasn't. I remember this episode. I don't think he was pregnant in the end. Right, I'm gonna have to cut this bit because I'll get copyrighted.
This room is supposed to be on that.
Okay, that's as good as it's gonna get, people.
I don't have any.
Oh, I don't know how I feel about this eyeshadow look.
We shuffle rooms all the time.
And then just the under eye bit as well.
thought you only talked close by. It creates an opening for the stomach. It's improved the quality of life.
Anyway, just get her away from her parents. I'm gonna babysit the wheelchair chick.
Right, bronzer, as always, L'Oreal
You want me to convince her to get
Glam Bronze.
Lucky bird.
And then I'm going back in with a sleek bronzer, blusher. Gonna use this middle colour. Actually, I'm gonna use this colour.
Well, like you're happy with Christina. And she's happy.
So I'm using my Fenty, what's it called? Highlighter. And I'm obviously clearly using it a lot. Huh? So yeah, that's the sort of look, guys, that I would go for like musical theatre auditions. So here's the finished look. I don't normally wear a red lip, but because I'm going somewhere, I thought, why not? But yeah, I normally just wear a nude lip or like a, yeah, nude basically. So yeah, I'm off now because I'm running late, and I'll catch you very soon because I'm filming another video just after this when I get to my mum's about my wig. So yeah, I'll catch you later. Peace.